जजमेंट।
नहीं, एमए इज पेंडिंग।
अरे एमए तो अभी है, अपील में क्या हुआ?
अपील रिमांड
वो फ्रेश रिमांड करती है।
रिमांड के अगेन लॉज एमए आई हुई है।
अच्छा ठीक।
So, Malad, now what is the thing is, Malad, since HR Chopra has filed a suit,
जस्ट अ मिनट, आपका व्हाट्स योर गुड नेम प्लीज?
KK Sharma, Malad.
के शर्मा साहब, एक बार बता दीजिएगा कि जो जजमेंट सेट असाइड होकर रिमांड हो गया उसकी फाइंडिंग्स की क्या एविडेंशियरी वैल्यू है?
My lord is right.
ठीक है ना? सो नहीं, सिंस यू हैव कम फ्रॉम आउटसाइड एंड योर पार्टी इज वेरी कॉन्शियस ऑफ दिस फैक्ट
That नहीं हुआ।
your time is valuable, therefore I'm just with an
Deeply obliged.
intention to help you. There's no point in reading this judgment because this judgment has no evidentiary value as it has already been set aside by a superior court and matter has been remanded. वो जो मुंडी हिला रहे हैं उनसे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, वो कानून इतना नहीं समझते हैं।
Definitely, my lord, definitely.
Once matter has been remanded, then this
Yes.
judgment cannot be read.
Since my lord has asked me to file a synopsis with all exhibits,
नहीं, वो ठीक है, I'm not denying that.
that was the exhibit.
That is your right. That is
Yes.
your right. That is the advantage of having a seasoned lawyer like you. ये सवाल हम इनसे नहीं पूछते।
Definitely.
ये
My lord
उत्तर नहीं देते, ये
my
सवाल
lord
हम
is-
खरे साहब से पूछते।
My lord is very much right.
कि
It
इसको
does
पढ़ने
not.
से कोई मतलब नहीं।
Yes, my lord is very much right.
दस्तावेज पढ़ रहे थे, I did not object.
My lord
It
is
is
very
your right. It is your right to argue the appeal the way you like. But at the same time, looking to the paucity of time, it is my
Definitely,
duty to
I'll
point
consent.
out that this judgment cannot be read by either of the parties to their advantage because it has been set aside and matter has been remanded.
Remanded back.
जी.
No, no, my lord, what I'm saying is, my lord, since there was a compromise deed and it was binding upon only on the two parties, my lord. Neither of the parties can run away from the deed, compromise deed. So why I'm saying so is, since this sale deed is in my favor, my lord has to decide ki in whose favor sale deed it is, my lord, by reading one line or all the narration. Club with the facts that the compromise deed, that is a lord's degree there, my lords. Now, my lords, kindly have a look. So why I'm submitting that is there, but inference can be taken. The certain issues were drawn, but they were not able to prove who is the owner in the trial court, though it has been set aside and remanded back.
All right.
Now, my lord, kindly have a look. The next exhibit which I have relied.
That is
The
the notice.
legal notice, my lord.
Yes.
47, my lord, they have replied it.
That was filed just prior to filing of the suit and
Yes.
after suit was filed.
Yes, my lord. Now, my lord, I'll also show to my lord the exhibit they have relied, my lords.
जी.
First off, my argument is what?
जी.
They have not exhibited the sale deed which I have exhibited in my evidence, my lord. They have not relied on it. In their evidence, they have not filed this sale deed in their favor, my lords.
अच्छा,
Yes, my lord.
ये कहाँ से मालूम पड़ेगा? प्लीज बताइए।
Their exhibits, kindly have a look, my lords.
आपने लगाए हैं ना?
मैंने लगाए हुए सारे exhibits.
हाँ बताइएगा, पेज नंबर बताइएगा।
Page 90 देखें, my lord.
90
Yes, my lord.
जी।
कितना exhibit है?
D1।
D. This is the first exhibit
जी।
they have relied upon, my lord. This is exhibit D1, my lords.
नहीं, आपने जो लिस्ट लगाई है प्रमाणित दस्तावेज सूची, इसके जस्ट पहले वाले पेज पर आइएगा, आप ही ने लगाई है। नहीं, इसी के जस्ट 90 के जस्ट ऊपर आपने एक डॉक्यूमेंट लगाया है।
मेरी फाइल में
ये देखिएगा आप, मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ, आप ही का है ये दस्तावेज, दिखा दीजिएगा साहब।
जी जी।
ठीक है,
ये एग्जिबिट P1 है, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट D1।
सर हमारे वाले हैं।
अरे रुक तो जाओ,
जी जी
रुक तो जाओ एक
जी।
ये P1 तो आपके दस्तावेज है।
हाँ, हाँ।
ठीक है, ठीक
मैं D जनाब को दे देता
है।
हूँ।
हाँ ठीक है, मैं देख लूंगा वो डी
देर आफ्टर नॉट,
ये
ये गलती से लिखा हुआ है।
नीचे लग
नहीं
रहा
लगे रहने दीजिए, उसको लगे रहने दीजिए, वहीं लगे रहने दीजिए, उसको अब मत हटाइए।
ठीक है, पेज 90 नॉट का,
यस,
इट इज रॉन्गली नेक्स्ट।
जी ठीक है।
These are the detail of exhibit done by the plaintiff in the trial court.
प्लेंटिफ तो आप थे ना?
हाँ, in trial court, तो गलती से जनाब wrongly place हो
कोई
गई।
बात नहीं, चलिए।
Page 90 देखिए my lord for a moment.
जी
If my lord would scrutinize this document minutely, my lord,
जी
this letter is written on the date 30th July 65, my lord.
यस
And if my lord would see the writing, my lord,
जी
it is in cursive writing, my lord.
जी
Cursive writing can be written by an a person who is educated in a convent school, like
अच्छा,
there is a training and all, Malad. They make to do some cursive books and all.
मैं तो कॉन्वेंट का नहीं पढ़ा लेकिन मैं कर्सिव राइटिंग कर लेता हूँ.
That is greatness of Malad.
चलिए, हाँ.
Now, Malad, if Malad would see the language of this letter, Malad,
जी जी जी.
this letter was written in 13 July 265, Malad.
Yes. Yes.
What my argument is, Malad,
जी
in their WS, Malad,
जी
they have neither talk about this document nor whisper about it,
जी
Malad.
जी जी
Ki whether they are having this document in their possession, Malad.
जी.
Meaning thereby, Malad, they have created these documents when they lost their case in 31st January 2009 of eviction case which was filed against Avinash Chopra, Malad.
Yes.
After that, they have created this document, Malad.
जी
And what, since these documents pertain to date 13 July 65, Malad,
जी
first time they have used this document in Nagar Nigam in 2009 only, Malad.
जी.
So who prevent them to use this document when it was made?
जी
There is no whisper in legal notice they have filed. Reply to me, Malad.
जी.
There is no whisper in WS also, Malad.
Right.
The law is what?
जी
Whatever document you have to file along with your written statement, Malad.
जी.
So this document,
इन्होंने क्या बाद में ऑर्डर 7 रूल 14 के साथ फाइल किया था क्या ये डॉक्यूमेंट?
Lord, they filed in the present case, they filed a WS after gap of 12 years, not even without condemnation of delay application.
शर्मा जी, वो तो बहस का मुद्दा नहीं है अभी.
ठीक है ना?
ये तो ट्रायल कोर्ट के सामने अगर इन्होंने नहीं किया था तो आपको मिसलेनियस पिटीशन में आकर इनका
I agree.
क्लोज कराना चाहिए था.
I agree.
Being
But just
you
to
being
give an inference of it.
ठीक है सर. You being a seasoned lawyer, हम सिर्फ ये चाहते हैं कि जो तथ्य की बात है, and I am sitting here with open mind.
बिल्कुल,
ठीक
deeply
है.
aware.
तो थिंग इज कि जो तथ्य की बात है वो बताइए. आपका एक पॉइंट आई हैव नोटेड दैट द एग्रीमेंट वाज बिटवीन श्री HR चोपड़ा एंड श्रीमती सरदारी बेगम. द डिक्री वाज इन फेवर ऑफ श्री HR चोपड़ा.
And in pursuant to this, not this.
And you argued that Sardari Begum could have executed that judgment, that sale deed only in favor of HR Chopra
Chopra,
and
no.
nobody else.
Yes,
आप
no.
तथ्य की बात कर रहे हैं उसको हम नोट
That is there.
ठीक है ना?
Now, Lord, this exhibit D1
हाँ
is cannot be relied for 2-3 reasons. I have stated, Lord. This letter pertain to 65, Lord. They have used it in first time in 2009 in Nagar Nigam office. On the basis of this, they try to get the name change in tax receipt, Lord.
जी
There is no whisper, no discussion in the WS, Lord.
जी
Now, next, Lord. 92-3s. These are the receipts.
92 yes D2
Yes, my lord.
65-66 की.
जी. These all are on the name of S.N. Chopra.
जी जी जी
They have manipulated these, my lord. Next, my lord. D3 also page 96, my lord. My lord, इसमें main argument is what? Since I have stated, since they have lost their case in January 2009, my lord. Thereafter, they wake up to create a document to defeat this suit, my lord.
जी
If my lord would note the date and this date, my lord, 31st January 2009, my lord, they lost against the Avinash Chopra, my lord. Now see the date of this document.
which document? D3
Page 96, my lord. D3, my lord.
D3 yes
28 फरवरी 2009, my lord.
जी जी
Soon thereafter, when they lost it.
जी जी
Sunday.
And my lord, if my lord would see the calendar of 8th March 2009,
वो तो बताया था इन्होंने
It is a-
इसी वाले दिन था.
yes, my lord. No, my lord. Though there is a provision that Nagar Nigam can work on Sundays, but that too in urgency is in a case of pandemic, my lord, spread of flag and all one, but not for the purpose of.
नहीं नहीं हमारे यहाँ थोड़ा सा सिस्टम अलग है. वो क्लियर कर दें जिससे आप उसको आर्गुमेंट को एलोबरेट कर सकेंगे जब आपको कल सुनेंगे आगे. ये है कि मार्च के महीने में हमारे यहाँ 2 कार्यालय, एक नगर निगम का और एक सब रजिस्ट्रार का
जी.
पूरे टाइम खुलते हैं, इसलिए क्योंकि 1 अप्रैल से संपत्ति के रेट बढ़ते हैं और संपत्ति कर के रेट बढ़ते हैं.
Okay.
तो वो जो है हमारे यहाँ यू कैन डिपॉजिट योर प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स, यू कैन ऑब्टेन योर डॉक्यूमेंटेशन इन म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन And similarly, you can get your property registered in the office of sub-registrar, be it Saturday or Sunday in the month of March.
March.
This is the convention which I have
Okay.
seen for
Okay.
24 years of my practice.
Okay. Okay.
After that, they do.
ठीक है Malad. But this was done in on Sundays. Malad. It was not on working days. Malad. And there was no urgency of it.
जी जी
Next, Malad. Again, what tax receipt and all.
जी
Now, Malad,
इसी- इसको
there is a settled law, Malad.
जी कितना टाइम बचा है आपको कंक्लूड करने में?
I will take hardly 5 to 10 minutes.
नहीं, इसको एक काम करते हैं, कल कंटिन्यू करते हैं, बिकॉज आई हैव सम मोशन हियरिंग पास ओवर मैटर्स.
जैसे जनाब
तो
समझे
कल सुबह.
सुबह.
हाँ जी
ठीक है Malad.
लिखिएगा. श्री
मैं हमने भी तैयार किया था,
हैं?
आपने ऑर्डर
मेरे को कॉपी मिल गई है. हाँ.
कॉपी पेश कर देंगे
हाँ
डॉक्यूमेंट्स की और एविडेंस की,
हाँ ठीक है,
तो मैं पेश कर दूं परमिशन.
I have received the copy of same.
हमने कॉपी
दे दीजिएगा, सुबह ऐसे ही दे दीजिएगा.
हाँ
आपने चेक कर लिया ना? कोई बाहरी
हाँ,
दस्तावेज तो नहीं है ना?
नहीं नहीं I will not it out.
हाँ चेक कर लीजिएगा, कोई ऑब्जेक्शन हो तो सुबह बता दीजिए.
ठीक है. These are the exhibit trial court
हाँ,
record.
ठीक है. श्री
ये ले लीजिए,
Tomorrow morning 10.
के शर्मा,
फाइल में रख देना.
learned counsel for the appellant along with the appellant Shri Naresh Chopra. Naresh नहीं, Dinesh Chopra. Dinesh Chopra. Next, Shri R.P. Khare, learned counsel for the respondents. Respondent number
2-3
2 and 3. Next, none for respondent number 1. Next, matter is heard in part since counsel has come from outside and there is a request of the party to continue this matter tomorrow as it entails heavy cost on him on bringing a counsel from outside. Looking to such a request on the part of the appellant, case be taken up tomorrow at 10:15 a.m.
Deeply obliged. Deeply.
दे दीजिए, मोशन हियरिंग के मेंशन केसेस लीजिए पहले.